Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Football Vibes, and finally we are back, and today in this video we are going to see about the Dream 11 preview of Multan Sultans versus Karachi Kings in the Pakistan Super League, which has been resumed yesterday. And guys, I promise that hereafter videos will come continuously. There is no good matches in Dream 11. That's the reason I have not posted any videos after IPL. And now there is many good matches like PSL, T20 Blast. So I will make videos continuously and I will post for you. And videos will come in English as well as Tamil. So you can subscribe our channel and also press that bell icon so that you will get instant notification whenever we update a video. And please share our link to your families and friends. That will motivate us. And guys, if you didn't join in our Telegram channel, you can join. For that, please go to Telegram and type at Real Football Apes to get our channel link. Guys, this is our second channel. Our first channel has been terminated, so this is our second channel. So if you didn't join, means you can join. I'll give link in the description box also, so click that and join. Otherwise, go to Telegram and type this word, that is Real Football Apes. In lost, that is not yes, it is it. So if you type that, you will get our channel, so you can join on that. And guys, when we see about the match detail, the match will be held on 10th June 2021 at Sheikh Zayed Stadium, and the timing will be at 6:30 p.m. in our Indian Standard Time. And you can watch this match on Sony 6, so you can watch this match also. This will be a very good entertainment for us. When we came to team preview, Multan Sultans and Karachi Kings are going to face each other in this match, which is going to held in Abu Dhabi. And guys, as I told, Pakistan Premier League has been resumed already. Some matches has been played during January-Feb month, and it has been resumed due to Corona pandemic, and it is again restarted. Multan Sultans are at second position and they have won 5 matches, and they are at a very good position. Their captain Mohammad Rizwan is in a very good form, and he is the leading run scorer also, I think, in this season. And defending champions Karachi Kings also have very good players like Babar Azam. Babar Azam is the captain, and Sharjal Khan also they have. And there is a new arrival like Martin Guptill. He is back in this that is resumed part. He is back, Martin Guptill. And Pereira, a very good experienced all-rounder from Sri Lanka, is also back. And when we see about standing, Karachi Kings are at second position. They played 5 matches and they won 3 matches and lost 2 matches. And when we see about Multan Sultans, they have played 5 matches where they have won only 1 match and lost 4 matches. And guys, when we see about the venue stat, that is Sheikh Stadium, this will be a very good neutral track. There will be some bit of help for batsmen as well as bowlers, so we can expect a neutral track in this ground. And when we see about the scoring pattern, below 150 11 times runs has been scored in this ground, and below 150 to 169 13 times runs has been scored, and between 170 to 189 4 times runs has been scored, and above 196 times has been scored. And average first inning score will be 157. And guys, this is the average versus economy graph. Average versus economy graph, in the sense, guys, this is that is in down, that is x-axis, that is the average, sorry, economy, that is a bowler which is who is giving runs per over, that is the economy, and average is the bowler who picks wicket on every ball. Guys, I think, hope you all understand. In this ground, leg break bowlers are getting very much good help, that is they are taking wicket at every 25 balls at once. They are picking a wickets. That's the graph this is showing. And then fast bowlers also getting very good help. They are also picking 25, sorry, they are also picking 1 wicket 25 balls. Hope you all understand. And when we see about the outcomes of T20 matches, 63% of the matches has been won while batting second, and 37% of the matches has been won while batting first. And when we see about the weather report, there is no chances of rain, so we can expect a full match, and the weather will be sunny only. And there is no chances of dew also, that is in Abu Dhabi only, so dew all does not play a very good factor. So When we see about the playing 11, first we can see about Multan Sultans. In Multan Sultan, Mohammad Rizwan and Gurbaz will open the innings. Both are very very good batsmen, and Rizwan is in a very good form, and Gurbaz is upcoming talent in Afghanistan, and he is also showing very good class. He is a very good attacking batsman. Both are a very attacking batsman, and one down is played by Shimran Hetmyer as well as Russo. They can change their position. Russo is a very technically strong batsman. He is a left-hander, so that is a big advantage for Multan Sultan. And Shimran Hetmyer is also a left-hander. He is not a technically strong batsman, but he is a very good hard hitter. He can hit the ball very much. So you can try him also. And then Shoaib Masood. Shoaib Masood is a very good technically very strong batsman. He is playing for test matches also for Pakistan, so that you can see his class. He is a very good player, you can try him also. And then Kudil Shah, he is a middle order batsman who can hit as well as he can play decently. You can try him in GL also. If the top order fails, he may be a good pick. And then Shoaib Tanvir is a very good all-rounder for Pakistan over the years, and he is a left-hander also, and he is 6 feet tall, so that ball can bounce very good, so you can try him also. And then Usman Quaid, guys, he is a very good player. He is an upcoming talent, I can say. You can note it also. When you see matches, you can know about him. He is a very good youngster. He is a spinner, and you can try him also. And then Shoaib Khan is also a very good bowler, seam bowler. He has played many international matches for Pakistan also. And Imran Tahir is a, we can't tell, so he has that much experience. He is a very very good player, you can try him also. And then Dani is the pace attacker for this team. He will lead the pace attack. He is a very good upcoming talent, you can try him also. When we see about Karachi Kings, Sharjal Khan and Martil Guptill will open the innings. Guptill is the new addition to this Karachi Kings team. Guptill is a very good player, you all know about him. He is an attack minded player, you can try him also. And then one down is played by Babar Azam, and two down is played by Chadwick Walton. Walton is also a very good attacking player. Usually he will open the innings, but in this team opening spot is filled, so that he will play two down. And Najibullah Zadran, Thisara Pereira is a very good experienced all-rounder where he can bat as well as bowl, but he has crossed his age limits. That's the reason why we can drop him, because we don't know about his fitness issue. But he is a very good player before 5 to 6 years, but now he has a, it's not that much physically fit, I think, so we can see. And then Imad Wasim is a very good player. He is a spinner, left arm spinner like Jadeja, so you can try him also. And Mohammad Amir will be the leading pace attacker for Karachi Kings. He can swing the ball both the ends. He can be a very good pick. And Masood Abbas Afridi, guys, Abbas Afridi is a very good player, you can try him also. And then Arshad Iqbal, guys, Karachi Kings pace attack is a very good compared to Multan Sultans. And when we see about the hit stat, totally 6 matches has been played, in which Karachi Kings have won 5 matches and Multan Sultans have won only 1 match. And the average score Karachi Kings has been scored is 160, whereas Multan Sultan has scored 149 when they face each other. And while batting first, totally 3 matches has been played, in which Karachi Kings have won 2 matches and Multan Sultans have won 1 match. And the average score, when you see Karachi Kings 185 is the average, and for Multan Sultan 148 is the average. And while batting second, Karachi Kings have won 3 matches and Multan Sultans didn't won any match, and the average score is 148 while they batting second. And guys, and the 6th part of our video will be the safe captain and vice captain choices. Mohammad Rizwan will be a very good safe captain vice captain choice, followed by Babar Azam, Martin Guptill and Shimran Hetmyer. You can pick them also. And when we see about the differential captain vice captain pick that you can try in GL, you can try Shimran Hetmyer, Riley Russo, Usman Quaid, Abbas Afridi and Chadwick Walton also. There will be a very good differential pick. You can try them also, guys. In some of the states, Dream 11 has been banned, and if you don't know in which app you can play, I'll refer to app, that is Sportacy and Fanada. These two app is a very good app which I am using. Particularly now I am using these two apps only. I'll give link for that app so you can try that app also. So I'll give link in the description box. Click that and download if you want, and you can get cash bonus also. In Sportacy they are giving 500 rupees cash bonus, so you can try that apps also. Very good genuine app. If you have Paytm account itself, you can withdraw all your money, guys. When we see about the top Dream 11 picks, Babar Azam will be a very good pick when it comes to fantasy. As I told, he is an experienced player, and in this season he has scored 258 runs in 5 matches. And next, Imad Wasim. As I told you, Imad Wasim is a very experienced all-rounder, left-arm orthodox bowler. He can bowl 4 overs, full quota he can bowl, and while batting also he can contribute with bat. And then Mohammad Rizwan, as I told, Mohammad Rizwan will be a very good captain, vice captain choices, and he is a very good wicket keeper also. And he has scored 297 runs in 5 matches, that is in this season. And Sharjal Khan, he is also a very consistent player. He has scored 200 runs in last 5 matches, that is in this season. You can try him also. When we see about the match winner, Karachi Kings are expected to win this match, guys. Now I'll give you a preview team, but it is not final. Our final team will be updated in our Telegram channel, so you can join. In wicket keeping section, I am picking 3 wickets keeper: Mohammad Rizwan, Chadwick Walton and Gurbaz. All 3 are very attack minded wicket keepers, so I am picking them. And in batsman section, I am picking 3 batsmen: Babar Azam, Martin Guptill, and then I am picking Shimran Hetmeyer. And guys, if you want, you can try Rusev also, Sharjal Khan also you can try. And in all-rounders, I am picking Imad Wasim. He is a very good all-rounder, and you can try Shoaib Tanvir. As I told, you can try Pereira also, but we don't know about the fitness condition of Pereira, that's why I am dropping him. And in bowler section, I am picking 4 bowlers: Mohammad Amir, Imran Tahir, Quadir, and then I am picking Afridi. All the 4 bowlers are very good bowlers, you can try them also. And my captain will be Babar Azam, and my vice captain will be Mohammad Rizwan. Guys, this will be my Dream 11 preview team, and if you like our video, please do subscribe and also press that bell icon so that you will get notification whenever we update a video. And don't forget to join in our Telegram channel. I'll give link in the description box. Thanks for watching.